Oh jeez. Oh god. Stop laughing. You keep laughing and then like I get screwed up. We're doing their video response to Bad Bromance Lady Gaga spoof. And we're saying who our best friend is. Our BFF.
Oh.
Our Biffle. Our Biffle. It sounds like waffle. Anyways. You're my best friend, Lauren.
Oh, you're mine too.
You're
mine too.
I have a couple best friends. I don't have like a lot.
Those are our best friends we made.
Our best friend bracelets we made?
Yeah. And then we made one for your cousin.
Good times.
I really don't know what to say.
Me neither.
I like his glasses.
He looks like Patrick Stump.
He kinda does.
I'm just like that. I'm paying attention to the camera anymore. Anyways.
Turn your text back.
You don't need to say it. Okay. Well, there we go.
Yeah.
You're my best friend, Laura.
Yeah, mine too.
Oh, we're gonna go. Okay, bye.